Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are gonna be trading binary options in All-In Trade. So without further ado, let's get started with All-In Trade. Right? Here we go. I do not need to update my app because I don't feel like updating it, right? Let's see what your all has to offer. Let's make a horizontal line. Let's make it. And yeah, let's see how it reacts. I just made a horizontal line up front. I'm still waiting for it to touch the SR, which is 1.49744. Yes, it is the SR I'm looking for. Let's see what basic dollar index has to offer. Okay. Next trade is gonna be a small sell. This is what I believe. Next trade is gonna be a small sell. Yeah. For 1 minute it is gonna be a small sell, and after that it is gonna be a big jump, right? Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how everything behaves now, because by the looks of it, it is a good buy. By the looks of it. Let's see how it reacts. Now it is going down. It looks good sell, but 10 seconds left, and let's see how it goes above. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have just won $87. Let's, according to price action, it should go up. Yeah, it has a lot of resistance up there, up here. So let's go for buy. I don't know what basic dollar index is all about, but it is kind of binary thing, right? It is jumping big, it is jumping really big. It definitely is jumping big, but it is too much volatile, I can assure you that. Yeah, it is too much volatile. So yeah, the pip difference is very fast in here. You can see 10 seconds left. Well, I mean 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we have just won another trade. Let's make uh well, leave it. Leave G. Let's see what GBP JPY has to offer. Let's see what GBP JPY has to offer, and yeah, we are with GBP JPY, and let's go for buy. Yeah, let's go for buy. I've just placed multiple buy trades because I feel like doing it. So yeah, why don't they make another candle? Is it any kind of glitch or what? Why don't they make any other candle? That's what I'm wondering. That is it kind of glitch or what? Let's see. We still have. Oh man, we are gonna be losing this trade, but it is a good buy. Another. Let's take three, four. Let's take 4 buy trades. Yeah, I've just placed 4 buy trades because I feel like placing it. So yeah, we have just lost a couple of trades, which was buy trade, which were buy trades, but it still is in very much control. Things are very much in control, but we can't see anything anywhere. Self trade in one click. I don't do that. We don't do this here. So yeah, I guess this is gonna be the last trading, the last binary trade of the day. It is very last binary trade of the day. We have just recovered our losses with all the huge profits. So with that being said, that brings us to the end of this average binary session in which we have earned $200. So see you guys in next video. Till then, make money, not war. Okay, bye.